Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful for all you Subaru owners out there. How to turn on the Eyesight system in your 2025 Subaru model. If you're new to this, Eyesight is Subaru's advanced driver assistance technology that acts like an extra set of eyes on the road, helping with features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane departure alerts. It's all about making your drives safer and more enjoyable. First off, let's quickly cover what Eyesight does. This system uses cameras and sensors to monitor the traffic ahead, detect potential hazards, and even assist with steering if needed. In the 2025 models, it's even smarter with improved AI for better responsiveness. But before we dive in, remember that while Eyesight is a fantastic tool, it's not a replacement for safe driving practices. Always stay alert. Alright, let's get to the steps. Start by making sure your Subaru is parked safely and the engine is running. Eyesight typically activates when the car is on, but you'll need to enable it manually. Look for the Eyesight button. It's usually on the steering wheel or right below the instrument cluster, marked with the Eyesight logo. Once you spot it, press and hold the button for about 2 seconds. You'll see a green light or indicator on your dashboard light up, confirming that the system is active. If you want to customize it, head to your infotainment screen. Navigate to the Settings menu, then select Eyesight or Driver Assist. From there, you can tweak things like the sensitivity for collision detection or enable specific features. It's straightforward and only takes a minute. One quick tip. If the system doesn't turn on, check for any warnings on your dashboard. It might need a software update or there could be an issue with the cameras. Consult your owner's manual or a Subaru dealer if that happens. Overall, activating Eyesight is a breeze and can make a big difference in your daily commute. There you have it. You're all set to use Eyesight on your 2025 Subaru. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Safe driving, everyone.